Welcome back, learners. Now let's continue where we left off. The focus now is on tariffs. For tariffs, a tariff is a charge in rands per measuring unit of a specific service, such as bank charges and transport. Transport is based on the distance which is measured in kilometers. Therefore, it means you will be charged for each and every kilometer that you've traveled. Bank tariffs are measured in rands per transactions. Therefore, the number of transactions that you will make will equal to the amount of money that you end up paying. Under bank tariffs, we are focusing on bank tariffs. The definition is a billing structure for bank tariffs is measured in rands per transaction. As I had mentioned that for each and every transaction that you will make, there is a fee that you will have to pay. Bank fees are based on the number and types of transactions made. For an example, we are given a fee structure of a particular bank whereby we are shown that for withdrawals, if you withdraw money in a branch, you will be charged 23 Rand plus 1 Rand 10 cent per 100 Rand withdrawn. You can withdraw at a bank ATM. It also has its own charges. You can withdraw at another bank's ATM with an additional charge, or you can withdraw at the till point. There is a charge for that. Or you can withdraw at a till point after a purchase or with a purchase. Then it has also the fee structure for deposit. When you make a deposit inside the branch, you will pay 2.80 Rand per 100 Rand that you are depositing. You will also pay for depositing at a bank ATM where there's 80 cents per 100 Rand. Zanele opened a bank account with ABC Bank. This is the fee structure for ABC Bank. Then question 1 says, calculate the fee for a 750 cash withdrawal at a till point without a purchase. We are given the till point with package, so with purchase, so it means we are not considering this. We are given a till point. It does not indicate with or without, but because we have already the one that says with purchase, then it means this one is for without purchase. So it means Zanele will be charged 3 Rand 65 cents for making this withdrawal at a till point. Question 2 says, calculate the fee for 2,500 cash withdrawal at ABC's bank branch. So now Zanele decided to withdraw this money inside the branch. So we are focusing on this one. Therefore, we are doing the calculation. Now, whenever the question says per 100 Rand, it means from the amount that has to be withdrawn, we need to find how many 100 Rands do we have there. So it means we're going to start by saying 2,500 divided by, because we want to find out how many 100 Rands are inside 2,500. Then you take your calculator, you punch. You can even do it manually. When you do it manually, remember we will say 1 0 will cancel the other 0, the 1 0, another 0. Therefore, 25 divided by 1 will give us 25. Therefore, it means we have, the Rand and the Rand also gives us 1. So we are left with 25 and 1, then it gives us 25 Rand. We can erase this Rand, therefore, so that we see that we are left with 2,500 Rands in a 2,500. Therefore, now we can use our formula. We are given that to calculate this fee, we will say fee is equals to 23 Rand plus 1 Rand multiply by per 100. It means the number of 100 Rands, which are 25, multiplied by 25. Therefore, this you can bracket because it's one operation. Then we can start with it. You punch your calculator, you say 1 Rand 10 cent multiplied by 25. It gives us 27 Rand 50 cents. It's money, so we must include the Rands. Then you bring down the 25 because it was untouched. The 23, sorry. You bring down the 23 Rand. Then you add it to the 27 Rand 50 plus 23 Rand. Then the charge will be 50 Rand 50 cents. So it means Zanele will be charged 50 Rand 50 cents for withdrawing 2,500 inside the branch. Then we've got other bank tariffs as well. We are given the structure there. You are given the branch withdrawals and also till point. But now there's additional information. We are given that if you're going to withdraw money from a branch, you're going to be charged 23 Rand plus 1 Rand 10 cent per 100 Rand or part thereof. What does this or part thereof mean? It means that even if you withdraw money, for an example, let's say you are withdrawing 150 Rand. Already we can see that we only have one 100 Rand inside 150. Then what is left? 50 Rand is left. But this 50 Rand, because it doesn't make 100 Rand, it will still be considered as if it's a 100 Rand. So if you were to do the division, that 150 divided by 100, it will give you 1.5. But that 1.5 would mean that there's 200 Rands in a 150. So the 50 Rand will be considered as if it's 100 Rand. Question 3 says, calculate the fee charged for withdrawing 2,750 at another bank's ATM. Already we can see that we have 2,575 Rand. Already we know that there is a 2,500 and there's also a 75 Rand. So for 2,500, we know that we've got how many 100 Rands? If we divide it by, let's say we divide it by the 100, we will get that 2,500. Let's say this is 2,500. We have this 75 Rand on the side. So it gives us 25. It gives us 2,500 Rands plus this. It doesn't get to 100, but it will still be considered as if it's 100 Rand. So you need to add that one. So therefore, in total, we will have 2,600 Rands in a 2,575. Then we substitute it on our formula. We say fee is equals to 23 Rand plus 1 Rand 10 cent multiplied by 26. Then we start with the ones that are bracketed. Then we bring down our 23 plus, then we say 1 Rand 10 cent. Let's punch it on our calculator, multiplied by 26. It gives you 28 Rand 60 cents. Then equals to, now we add the 23 Rand that we brought down, plus 23, then it gives us 51 Rand 60 cents. So if we check the difference between the bank fee structure that has a part thereof and the one that does not have a part thereof, we realize that the one with the part thereof will actually charge you more than the one without the part thereof. We're going to take a quick ad break and we'll continue afterwards.